So you key in all the information. If you would like to check the information whether you have done or not, you can click on the check rebar by element. So on the right hand side here, the information already updated. So it will bring you to the next to each other. On the left hand side, it will highlight the beam that you already measured with the red color, and then the rest that is not highlighted. You can see the rest that is not being measured is highlighted in white or gray color. On the right hand side, you can see that the information of GH1 have been updated, and it shows you the top bar, it shows you the bottom bar, the yellow color, and the three sections of your link or stirrup that had been identified earlier. Okay, so after that, let's say you check or you click on the check rebar by elements. So this information, the info is not shown anymore, but don't worry. If you see side by side, you can see that the first one had been measured. So the first information, GH1, can you see that? Have been identified. Okay, right. So after that, we will go and review the rebar 3D. So let's say you exit here. You can see from the layout plan, GH number 1, from the outline also you can see the GH number 1, the rebar layout have been shown there. Okay, let's say you would like to see in 3D, GH number 1, quick find entity. So if you click here, sorry, exit, you can see that the beam have been highlighted. Okay, rebar layout, rebar 3D. So this one.